Today we are going to learn about ServiceNow specifically. So many, you might have always heard about ServiceNow. That ServiceNow is a cloud-based technology, and you will always hear this word that it's a cloud, and it's a cloud-based technology. So today we are going to exactly understand what exactly is ServiceNow and how it is related to cloud and what is a cloud actually. So we are just going to understand the basics today. So basically ServiceNow itself is not a cloud based company, I can say. So ServiceNow is basically it's a company. So basically ServiceNow is a company, and this company was formed in the year 2004, I can say. 2004 by Fred Ludy. So it was founded by Fred Ludy, I can say, and his board of directors. So this is a company basically I can say. So now this company, this ServiceNow is a company, and now this company has launched their own product, I can say, a SaaS based product, and the name of that product is Now Platform. So basically this is actually the platform or the software, you can say, or the application which ServiceNow has developed. And now this Now Platform, generally we call it like it is a cloud based platform. So this is, we call it as cloud based platform. Cloud based platform. Cloud-based platform. So now it's clear that ServiceNow, it's a company. It was founded in the year 2004, and now this company has developed a product, and the name of the product is Now Platform. And this Now Platform, is a cloud-based platform. So now let's understand what actually is a cloud and how cloud has a relation with ServiceNow, I can say. So now in order to understand cloud, so let's say if I'm writing cloud, so can I say that cloud is nothing but a combination of data center, data centers and servers, right? Servers. So this is cloud basically. Now what are the benefits of cloud? Basically the first benefit is it is available 24 into 7. That means it is having the 24 into 7 availability. So that's the first benefit. Second benefit is now in order to understand cloud in more detail, we have to understand what are data centers, what are servers. So basically if I say it like in a very layman term, that what is a server? A server is nothing but, I can say, a special computer. And generally in servers, so when I say a special computer, that means this special computer is nothing but, I can say, this is a very highly efficient computer, and these computers are also called as supercomputers. Supercomputers. So this what are servers? Basically a special computer which is having space, which is having specially designed, which is having spatially designed softwares, and these servers, they keep running 24 into 7. They keep running 24 by 7, I can say. And now since these servers keep running 24 by 7, these servers are connected with the data centers, I can say, right? So now what is data center? Data center is nothing but, I can say, just a collection of databases. Now this is also going to be interview question. How are servers managed? So always remember, servers are always managed. Sorry, this will also be a question. How are data centers managed? Okay, so always remember, data centers are always managed via servers. Okay, that means you cannot directly manage a data center. If you have to manage a data center or a database, you have to reach through a server, and that is what we are doing in ServiceNow as well. You might be having a background script console, right? Let's say this is a background script console, and if you have to, let's say, update, if you have to update or delete or create or read any kind of incident record, let's say any kind of incident record, let's say, so you have to perform these all operations. Basically these all are nothing but the CRUD operations. So you have to perform all of these operations with the help of a API known as glide record, right? So I know today is the basics, so just for understanding I'm trying to give this example. So glide record is nothing but a database API, and with the help of this API is first going to run its entire code on the server. So here there will be a server in middle, and then this server is going to perform all of these changes wherever this data is stored on the data centers, I can say. So always remember, data is always managed via servers, and if you have to manage the data of ServiceNow, then you have to reach this data center with the help of ServiceNow servers, I can say. So this is nothing but the ServiceNow servers. Okay, so now coming back to what is ServiceNow. So basically ServiceNow is a cloud based platform, right? So, and what is cloud? Cloud is nothing but a combination of data centers plus servers. Now what is server? A server is nothing but a special computer, basically a supercomputer, which is having specially designed softwares and that keeps running 24 into 7, which is placed at a remote location. I can also say it like placed at a remote location. Remote location. And this server this can be reached out via internet, right? Now let's talk something more about ServiceNow products, right? We understood that Now platform is the top level product, I can say, right? So ServiceNow is having this Now platform as a top level product, right? ServiceNow is having this Now platform as a top level product, right? Now what are the other products which which is lying inside this Now platform? So inside this there are many products like ITSM. We have ITSM, then we have ITBM, then we have ITOM, then you think of any module, every module will be lying inside this Now platform. You think of CSM is nothing but customer service management. You think of GRC, that is governance, risk, compliance. You think of ITAM is nothing but IT asset management, and many more. And so not only this, so these are the products of ServiceNow. Now this Now product is having its own capabilities, you can say. That means this Now platform is having it's some of the by default functionalities. So what are some of those functionalities? Some of the functionalities, like it is having integration feature. That means this Now platform can be integrated with multiple third-party applications. Like you can integrate this Now platform with Microsoft Teams. You can integrate this with Microsoft Teams. You can integrate this with Gemini. Gemini. You can integrate this with Chat GPT and many more. You think of any third party cloud based tool, you can, it is very easily integrated. Okay, so not only this, it is having integration capability, then it is having scripting capabilities. That means you can do all sorts of automation using scripting. Then it is having flows, I can say flows. They ServiceNow also call it like no code low code, no code low code, right? Low code. So with the help of flows you can design complex automations. Okay, then we have UI builder, we have UI builder. You can build any kind of UIs. Okay, then we have portals, we have portals. You can build any kind of portals, and many more. Basically these all are not the product exactly. You can also there is one more, it's called as app engine. So with the help of app engine you can design custom application. So these all are not the products exactly, these are the platform features. Okay, that means the platform by default features, you can say, or capabilities. But this, if we talk about this item, these all are the products. Okay, so this is something about service now and cloud. Then there is something like we have cloud. So in cloud also, how actually a service now earns profit. So in order to understand this, we have to understand how actually cloud works, and what are the different types of cloud we have, and what are the different types of cloud services are there. So if we talk about types of cloud, if we talk about types of cloud, then we have basically I can say we have basically four types of cloud. And what are they? uh, they are nothing but public 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 cloud. Basically I can say public cloud. Then we have private. Then we have community cloud. And then we have hybrid cloud. So these are the types of cloud. Now we have types of cloud services. We have types of cloud services. So what are those types of cloud services? So basically these are the types of cloud, right? Now these are the types of cloud services. So there is a difference between types of cloud and types of cloud services. So what are the types of cloud services we have? We have IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service. Then we have SaaS. You might have heard about this SaaS. It is very popular and it is very trending in the market, very trending and very demanding in the market. So what is SaaS? Software as a service. So basically what is ServiceNow? As we learned, ServiceNow is a software, ServiceNow is a company, and this company has built its own software, and the name of the software is nothing but the Now platform. If you can look here, it's the Now platform, right? So here Now platform comes under this SaaS category, I can say. So this is nothing but a software as a service, I can say. Software as a service. Now the third category, what is the third category? It is PaaS. This is, what is this? Platform as a service, right? Platform as a service. Platform as a service. Now out of this, ServiceNow sometimes also comes under APaaS. Now what is this APaaS? APaaS is nothing but application platform as a service. Now let's say if you are building a custom application inside ServiceNow, right? So that will be coming under this category, right? So now this is how ServiceNow earns profit from their customers. How? Because ServiceNow will provide its Now platform to its customer as a software as a service, right? And it will charge from its customer on various types of licensing models. Like it will have subscription based modeling, it will have one time use based modeling, it will have user licensing based modeling. So in upcoming videos and in upcoming sessions, we will talk about the licensing model, users, roles, permissions, everything. And then we will also have a deep dive on the other things like the how to get a PDI, how to get developer instance, what are the different resources we have. So until then, please subscribe this channel and support. Thanks a lot. If you find this video and this entire content very useful, so please do share it with your friends, colleagues, and in your circle. Thanks a lot. Yeah.